Good afternoon, traders. Just taking my new XR calculator for a little test drive here. Looking to see if we can just take a trade just for fun, just to test out this calculator. AMC trending up today. So why not take a trade on AMC? Everyone loves this stock anyway. I think either you love it or you hate it. So as soon as a 1 minute candle makes a new high, I'm going to take an entry. I'm only going to use a reward factor of 0.5, so that means that my reward is only going to be half of my risk. Not something I would normally recommend that you do, but I'm just trying to show you how this calculator works. You can put any reward factor in here that you want. So if you want to trade a 2-to-1 reward to risk, you put a 2 in there. If you want 3-to-1, you put a 3. If you want something weird like 0.9 or 1.9, you can put that in there, and then you just enter in your entry price and stop loss, and it spits out your profit target in a matter of seconds, and you can adjust your orders on the chart. I'll show you that in just a moment here. Hopefully this is live, so I don't know when this trade is going to be triggered, but I'm just taking a basic 1 minute candle, make a new high type of setup. Not a high probability trade in this case because AMC has already been trending up quite a bit today. So here we'll see what happens. The high is 32.93, so if I see 32.94, I'm in. It's only one single share, so I'm not risking a lot. Really just trying to test this calculator out live. So let me zoom in on the chart for you a little bit. That's okay that it went away. I'll show you in just a second how to get it back quickly. There we go. There's our entry. So now we're going to pull up our calculator. We'll put in our entry price, 32.93. Hit enter. Our stop loss is going to be based on the low of the previous candle, which is 32.82. I'm going to make it 32.82, and our reward factor is 0.5. Profit target 32.98. I got to scale up here. We'll put it at 32.99. We're already hit. I didn't even get to move my stop loss in place. So obviously that was a silly trade. It was just 1/2 R. But again, I just wanted to show you how nice and easy it is to use these calculators. And they give you your profit target so quickly. And you can see, I'll show you the orders so that you can see that everything is real here. So let's go to my order assistant. So let's see, where is the order placed at? Right here, your order. Well, that was the fill notice. Okay, those are all the cancellations once it was filled. Okay, this is from me adjusting my stop. So yeah, the order assistant, it looks like it's kind of showing them out of order. So there's my order to buy AMC. That was where it was filled. And then there's the last fill. So I don't know why it shows you like that, but you can see that the trade was real. So anyway, hopefully this was interesting to you. I think this is pretty cool. Let me just show you really quickly if you want to change the reward factor, how that works. Actually, I haven't tested this. If I leave everything up here and then recalculate, yeah, see, that works. But if we just clear all of our prices and we let's put in something weird like 1.9 reward to risk ratio, and let's say we get in at $10 and the stop loss is $5, and we want to know where our profit target should be. There it is at 19.5. If you want to do the 2-to-1, you can do that as well. 3-to-1, doesn't matter. Anything you want, you can put in here. 4-to-1, it'll all work. You can click in these boxes. You can click enter. There's multiple ways to run this thing. When you click clear, it only erases the values inside of the entry price, stop loss, and profit target. That way, if you want to keep like one reward factor that you're using throughout the day, I think most traders would do that you don't have to change. But if you do want to change that at any point in your trading, you can. Maybe you want to change it to 3.5 or whatever. You can do that at any point. So this is the XR calculator, and you are able to, or you will be able to download this from my Patreon page. Let me pull it up here real quick. Let's see. This is brand new. We just started it today, so we've only got one patron. I guess that's what you call them. And we only have one single tier. So I don't know why this says $5 per month. I set it to $3, so I'll have to check on that. But I think what I'm going to do right now, for $3 a month, you can get my basic 2R calculator, 2 different versions of it. You can use whichever one you want, the classic version or this more modern version, which is kind of like the one I showed you today. But these are set to a 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio. So this one that I just finished today will allow you to trade with any reward to risk ratio. So I think I'm going to put in a tier, especially for that one, at $5. And any updates or anything that I do to it, it will constantly be available to you, and I won't change the price on that. So you can get that XR calculator, and you'll also be able to download these if you decide, you know what, I don't want to be changing my reward to risk ratio. I just want to use the 2-to-1 calculator and not have to deal with that extra input. You'll have access to those as well. So let me know what you think. If you have any questions, let me know. As always, every single trade you take, make sure that you have a plan going into it. Stick to that plan no matter what. Always take your stop losses, honor your profit target, and in the long run, you should be green. Take care.